In this video, I will show you how to download shows and movies on Disney Plus for offline viewing. First, open the Disney Plus app. Now find the movie or TV show you want to download. For that, tap on the search icon. If you're downloading a movie, tap on the download button on its page. For TV show, you can tap on the download icon next to an individual episode or download the entire season using the download option for the season. Wait for the download to be completed. You will see the progress as the content is being saved to your device. If the download doesn't start, tap on your profile icon and open App Settings. Under Download, check whether Download over Wi-Fi is enabled. Also make sure to set the video quality settings to high. Now to view your downloaded content, tap on the Downloads tab on the app. When you're finished watching, you can remove a download by opening the download section and tapping on the delete option. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.